In 3, 2, 1, action!
Hey guys!
Welcome back to our channel. I'm taking her to her project. She has a movie that she's gonna shoot and she's gonna be an actress in. I'm taking her to there.
To there?
To the place. She's gonna do the shoot.
Yes, and it's so early.
This time I'm not part of it, but I'm just taking her as a supportive husband.
Husband?
As a supportive fiance.
Gwapo kayo? Babuhas akong driver eh. Super gwapo akong driver guys. Isa may diliganahan. Super gwapo akong driver guys. Isa may diliganahan magpa-drive. Ngayon ka gwapo. Sos! Thank you Lord for my very handsome and very supportive and very kugihan nga partner. So now I am very excited. This is my first day of shooting. Need an assistant there and it's very... Be careful. It's very timing day off niya today because it's Sunday. So yes, let's see what is gonna happen today. Abot namin sa first location pero sayo ra jud kayo. But it's better early than late. So now we're just waiting for my director and just chilling out here while Brendan keeps on luhaging. Okay, no? Oh? So si Brandon, kaya wala ni siya naligo guys, kaya tugunaw daw. Ika magod ni Owan ganina. Di ko ba na makiss ka na kung ano ako nito.
Kanina ko ano?
Pugay, may kamot! Asag-asag yung kagulit-gulit. Gapo kayo, no? Pero mas ganahan na mo kabuot na. Pero gapo mag-ipo ka na po. Ikaw may ganahan na mo. Pero ambot lang, staying na bagay na sa guys, gusto ko sila na ibungot.
Monday mo tanong.
Feel nila nga, mas cute din kasi sila may bungot.
We're 30 minutes early.
Did ko gana malate kay mauwaw ko sa mga tao nga maguwat. Balik kita maguwat kaysa sila may maguwat.
Ay, oo, lagi.
Gupuhan yung baby oh.
Palamot man tanawon.
Gwapo magyapon ka, mas may nato ka. Kaya ba kasi self-love ng gwapo ka? Kampante ra ka ng gwapo ka.
Pag ginay, pag
Ay.
ginay kay ka. Ay.
Naasay, night times nga, batian kang nang self. Pagkalas ah.
Karabatan ako.
Mas gwapo nga yung bago kang mata ka nang mapakailigo og toothbrush. Kaya ba kung sa pinaka the best thing nimo?
Sa man?
Dili mo ang pagkagwapo. O sana guna, pero pinaka the best thing nimo kay para na ako nakita gid mo na love jud kumayo nimo. Kaya mong pagka genuine sa mong heart. Like pure kay mong heart.
Ano, genuine man ako para.
Ito ba? Imong intentions mo kay maayo. Giyan sa man nimo.
Tambot lang. Because I suffered too much na di ko ganahan.
Naka-experience na yung tao sa mga
Dili. Kaya naman yung ibang tao deserve nila pero ano siguro na ang mga tao na dagan kayo na agian kay mo yung pinaka nice.
Ako lagi dahil, sus, grabe akong nagyan, pero bati lagi batas.
Bili man kanina kumita na.
Pero ako mga ganang type sa tao, magprangka, di ko ganahan, di ko ganahan.
Ano magid na.
Pero, mo respeto, gyapon ko kay people pleaser, magay ko good. Pero dili ko masalig sa tao, kay ba ako nga di masaligan. I'm just being careful. Og di ko ganahan, like toxic eh, daghan kay negativity, cut off jud ko dito kay. I don't deserve to antos.
Cassie's doing her scene. I think they're only gonna do 2 scenes here and then to another location. I'm so proud of my baby. She is such a great actress. Like the first thing that they did, it only took 1 take. She's that good, so I'm very proud of her. And after this, we're doing the second scene now. And then after this, we're gonna do one in a house or a condo, I'm not sure, but I think that's it. They're doing it now in front of me. It's raining a little bit. I think we're gonna do this very quickly and then go to the next shoot.
So we're on the way on to the next location.
Final ba?
I'm not sure.
Not sure din. Yung ko last time final location eh.
Yes, and after this, we're going to my grandparents' house to meet my dad. Kay naabot na siya from abroad.
Action.
Banuban ako diri. Banuban ako niya. Assistant.
In 3, 2, 1, action.
So good morning guys, it's now 6 a.m. I couldn't vlog the rest of the night yesterday because I was so sleepy, so I slept on her set. I think around 9 or 8 there was a rain that was really heavy, and then there was floods everywhere, so we couldn't drive. I was late with my work. And around 8 or 9 p.m. there was a really heavy rain. There was floods everywhere, and then we waited for the rain to go away. I think the rain went away around 9:30 or exactly 9, and we got stranded because it was still flooding after the rain, and it was heavy traffic. During the traffic, ni huwat mi kadiyot sa kilid sa SM, I think sa SRP dapit, kalimut ko sa to. We stopped somewhere open and then slept for a little bit and waited for the traffic to go away, and the traffic finally went away, I think after 2 hours or 1.5 hours. And after we went home, and Cassie was already sleeping in the car and I was driving, and then I went to go get some drive-through in McDonald's and we got home. So that's our story last night. We are very thankful that God helped us last night. He guided us because it was really a disaster last night. Everything was chaos, like people were fighting because it was so traffic. So we just went ahead and stopped on the side of the road somewhere open and waited for the traffic for an hour. Still, thank you to God. You know, He kept us safe during our trips. He always keeps us safe. Nabasay mo pa.